Yukar. Let us try to understand molecular orbital diagram for oxygen molecule. In oxygen molecule, there are two oxygen atoms. Oxygen atomic number is 8. This means there are 8 electrons in the electronic configuration of oxygen is helium 2s2 2p4. That means there are 2 electrons in 2s orbital and there are 4 electrons in 3p orbitals. When we consider molecular orbital, we need to first consider atomic orbitals from which molecular orbitals are made. Molecular orbital theory considers conservation of atomic orbitals. That means two atomic orbitals will give two molecular orbitals. Principally, there are two kinds of molecular orbital. One is bonding and other one is anti-bonding. The bonding and anti-bonding orbitals are further classified into sigma and pi orbital. Sigma orbital is formed from the axial overlap of the atomic orbitals, while pi orbitals are formed by the sideways overlap of the atomic orbitals. The orbitals which are along the x-axis form sigma bond, while the orbitals which are there along z or y-axis or in between them, they form pi bonds. Since 1s and 2s orbital are spherically symmetrical and 2px orbital is along x-axis, they form an axial bond, while 2py and 2pz, which are along y and z axis respectively, they form pi bond. The electrons in one oxygen molecule we can arrange as 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Similarly, in another oxygen atom, they can be arranged as 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. In these molecular orbitals, we need to feel the electrons from the atomic orbitals. So we have in sigma 1s and sigma star 1s, we have total 4 electrons from two 1s orbitals. In sigma 2s and sigma star 2s, we need to feel the electrons from 2s orbitals, and there are total 4 electrons in two 2s orbitals of oxygen. So we have sigma 2s 2 electrons and sigma star 2s another 2 electrons. We should note that the sigma 2px orbital energy is lower than pi 2py and pi 2pz. This is different from the nitrogen molecular orbital diagram, where pi 2py and pi 2pz have lower energy than sigma 2px. When we try to feel this sigma 2px and pi 2py, pi 2pz, which are equal in energy, we need to first feel sigma 2px with 2p electrons, and then pi 2py and pi 2pz with these remaining 2p electrons. So total there are 8 electrons in two 2p orbitals of oxygen atoms. So these 8 electrons are occupied in 2px, 2py and 2pz, total 6 electrons, and in antibonding another 2 electrons in pi star 2py and pi star 2pz, and all these 8 electrons are occupied in the bonding as well as antibonding orbital. The electronic configuration of oxygen molecule is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, pi star 2py1 and pi star 2pz1. This is because the pi star 2py and pi star 2pz are of equal energy. Here, sigma star 2px has no electron, so it is sigma star 2px 0. We can calculate the bond order in the oxygen molecule by the formula bond order is equal to number of electrons in bonding minus number of electrons in antibonding orbitals divided by 2. Since there are 10 electrons in bonding, that is from sigma 1s, sigma 2s, sigma 2px, pi 2py and pi 2pz, and there are 6 electrons from the antibonding, that is sigma star 1s, sigma star 2s and pi star 2py and pi star 2pz. We have the bond order 2, that is 10 minus 6 divided by 2. Thus, there is a double bond between oxygen atoms in the oxygen molecule. We can consider the Lewis structure of oxygen, where oxygen completes its octet by sharing 2 electrons each. Similarly, there is double bond between these two oxygen atoms according to the molecular orbital diagram. देव बरे करो.